Hello guys, today I will show you how to connect the Xbox controller to a Nintendo Switch. Requirements. You will need three things. You will need a Xbox controller that is compatible with Xbox One or Xbox Series XS. You will need Nintendo Switch console with a USB port either on the dock or the console itself, and a third-party adapter that allows Xbox controller connectivity to the Nintendo Switch. You need to ensure it's compatible with your control model and Switch version. So let's dive in. Step 1. Start by identifying the USB port on your Nintendo Switch. If you have the original Nintendo Switch model with a docking station, the USB ports are located on the sides of the dock. If you have the Nintendo Switch Lite or a version without a dock, the USB port is on the console itself. Step 2. Connect the third-party adapter to the USB port on your Nintendo Switch. Ensure it fits securely and is properly inserted. Turn on your Nintendo Switch and go to the main menu. Step 3. Put your Xbox controller into pairing mode. On an Xbox One controller, press and hold the small sync button located near the USB port until the Xbox logo starts flashing. On an Xbox Series XS controller, press and hold the sync button located on the top of the controller next to the USB-C port until the Xbox logo flashes rapidly. Step 4. Check the third-party adapter for a pairing button or a specific pairing method. Follow the adapter's manual or instructions to put it into pairing mode. Once both the Xbox controller and the adapter are in pairing mode, they should automatically connect. The light on the adapter or the controller may indicate a successful connection. Step 5. Test the connection by using the Xbox controller to navigate the Nintendo Switch menu. Press the buttons and test the joysticks to ensure they work correctly. Thank you for watching guys. Hope that this video will help you and we will see next time.